A painting's powerful impact, unveiling a nurse's calling and a forgotten artist's legacy. Imagine a young nurse, Pam Enani, struggling through a challenging shift in a Cardiff hospital in 1974. Amidst the chaos, a patient's simple request changed her life forever. Mary Jones, a wise nonagenarian, asked Pam to view a painting in the Marmots Wood ward during her break. But here's where it gets intriguing. The painting, titled The Care of Wounded Soldiers, depicted an injured soldier being treated, and it wasn't just any soldier, it was Mary Jones herself. This revelation sparked a lifelong interest in the artist, Margaret Lindsey Williams, and a quest to uncover the painting's fate after the hospital's closure in 1999. Thousands had passed by this artwork, but for Pam, it held a unique significance. She was treating someone immortalized in the very painting that had inspired her. Upon realizing this, Pam was determined to learn more. The painting, unveiled in 1924, honored the Battle of Marmots Wood, where thousands of Welsh soldiers perished or were wounded. Its journey from the hospital ward to the main foyer, and eventually to the Royal Military Academy at Sandhurst, is a tale of resilience and historical preservation. Pam's career took her across the globe, but the painting and Mary's message remained with her. It wasn't until 2016, when she spotted it in a TV documentary, that she embarked on an exhaustive research mission. She uncovered the painting's path from Cardiff to Sandhurst, where it was restored with a £70,000 investment. And this is the part most people miss. Pam's research revealed the painting's rich history. Commissioned by Sir William James Thomas, a coal and railway tycoon, it features him alongside matron Montgomery Wilson, Sister Mary Jones, Private B.J. Davies, and Lieutenant Philip Rees-Griffiths. Margaret Lindsey Williams, known for her portraits of royalty, created this group scene, which has since been overshadowed by her more famous works. Williams, a native of Barry, Vale of Glamorgan, was a celebrated artist who studied under the renowned John Singer Sargent. Her social circle included artists and royalty, and her works inspired music legends like Black Sabbath. Yet, her grave in Merthyr Dyfan Cemetery remained unmarked until recently, and her non-royal legacy has been largely forgotten. The story of this painting is a testament to the power of art in shaping lives and preserving history. It begs the question, how many other forgotten artists and their powerful messages are waiting to be rediscovered?